friends, welcome to Right Tricks, and today I will show you how to make a chef hat. So the things we need is 4 papers, a stapler and a scissor and a cello tape. So guys, let's see how to make. So first we have to fold the paper like this and turn it.
Okay, now I have folded 2 papers. Now you have to open the papers. Now join them together. Now stapler them. Now you have to take the other 2 papers and stapler them. Now fold the paper like this. Now join the folded paper in the middle. Now stapler them. Okay, now I have folded the edges. Now you have to take the edges and you can write your name in the chef hat. Ta-da!